Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Logitech G733 headset and PC for connection. Charge the headset for about 3 hours before first use to ensure a full battery. Confirm the box contains the USB-A wireless dongle and a USB-C charging cable for wired use. Inspect the dongle for any protective sleeve and remove it. Plug the dongle into an available USB-A port on your PC. Finally, power on the headset by holding the power button for 3 seconds. To connect wirelessly, plug the USB-A dongle into a front or rear USB port on the PC. Move the dongle at least 3.5 inches away from other USB devices to reduce interference. Power on the headset and wait for a solid white LED to indicate successful pairing with the dongle. Open your PC sound settings and set the G733 as the default playback and recording device. Install Logitech G733 to update firmware and customize. For wired mode, use the included USB-C cable to connect directly for audio and charging simultaneously. Plug the USB-C end into the headset and the USB-A end into your PC. The headset charges in about 3 hours and delivers up to 29 hours of wireless battery life on a full charge. If audio still fails, test another USB port and restart the PC to reset device drivers. Finally, update Windows audio drivers and GHUB firmware to resolve persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.